Hi guys and welcome to 123. In this video I will show you how to create a MacOS Catalina USB installer drive. Okay guys, creating a Mac installer USB drive is super easy and all you will need is a Mac and an 8GB or higher USB drive. I like to make a copy of this USB so I can easily do a clean install of macOS whenever I need to. After this video I will do a follow-up video to show you how you can use the USB to install macOS on any Mac. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and smash the bell icon. Step 1. Download macOS Catalina. Okay guys, so all you need to do to download macOS Catalina is open up a Safari browser and head over to beta.apple.com. At the top of the page you've got a sign in button, you can click that, or if you haven't joined the program before you can click sign up. Let's go ahead and sign in and get started. On the next page, just enter your Apple ID and then click sign in. Once you're signed in there, you'll need to scroll down to where it says get started and enroll your Mac is what you want to click on. On the next page there, we just want to scroll down to where it says download the macOS beta, public beta, and then go up the top of Safari and click on the downloads and click on the access beta DMG file we just downloaded, and then go and click on your beta file and open it up, and we would just want to hit OK, press continue, hit continue again and agree, and hit install. Put in your password for your Mac. Next up, press install software. Just go ahead and close your feedback assistant. Just click on upgrade now and your macOS Catalina download should start to download. So it may take some time, so just give it a little while to go through. Okay, so I'll sped the video up a little bit so you don't have to sit through the download, and there we go. So our macOS Catalina has now downloaded. Next, go to the Apple menu, install macOS and quit install macOS. Step 2, create macOS Catalina installer drive. Go back to your Finder menu and click on Go, and then go down to Applications and just find your Install macOS Catalina application. Right click and then go to Show Package Contents. Go into Contents, go into Resources, and then find the Create Install Media file. Then just move that window across a little bit to the side. And we're going to go to Finder and then do a search for Terminal. Just grab your terminal window and drag it across to your right, and then type in sudo and then space. Then go across to your Create Install Media file and just drag that from the Resources folder straight into your terminal window. Next up, just type in dash and then volume and then space again. Go back up to the Go menu and then go down to Go to Folder. In the text box there, type in slash and then volumes and then click on Go. Okay, so the next step here is to plug in your USB. Now I'm using a SanDisk Ultra 16GB drive, and I also put an Amazon link in the description below if you wanted to purchase your own USB drive. Alright, so your USB should show up now in the volumes folder, and there you can see my SanDisk has just appeared. So all you need to do now is just drag that USB drive across to your terminal window like that. Press return and just be aware that the next step will wipe any data on the USB. Type in your password and then hit return again. Now it's going to ask you, do you want to continue? So you would just want to press Y and then hit return again. Okay, so now it's going to start erasing the disk, and then it's going to start copying all the data across to your USB drive. Now this may take a while, so maybe go grab a coffee or hit that subscribe button. Okay, so we're making the disk bootable and we're copying the boot files, and we should be just about complete now. Okay, so you should be done now. If you wanted to verify that everything went according to plan, just double click on your USB drive and you should see the installer file there. And if you double click again on the installer file, it should actually start to run. So you're good to go. If you want to test out that your USB works properly, simply plug it into a Mac, make sure your Mac's powered off, hold down your Alt key, and then power your Mac on. Simply use the arrow keys to select your MacOS Catalina drive, and you're ready to install macOS Catalina on any Mac that you need to. Also guys, if you want to see more of my videos like share files from iPhone to Mac with AirDrop, click the links now and help me out by hitting the subscribe button and smashing the bell icon.